I think we just wanted to kind of share some of the excitement on mobile specifically. We started the journey way early in 2010, and consistently we've been kind of at it over the last 5 years. And I think we've seen some kind of an inflection point in the last few months, right? And I think it's not a trend. It's almost meaning it's as if that's the main channel as of now, right? So just to give a few talking points here. Right now, as we speak, the mobile traffic is higher than the desktop traffic, right? So if somebody who's downloaded an app or a website, mobile site, number of people accessing that is far higher in terms of the people accessing it on a laptop or a desktop, right? So right now, 54% of our traffic meaning out of 100 people, 54 people are accessing our products on the mobile, right? So, and the way we've seen this change, meaning just around 18 months back, this number was around 12-13%, right? So month on month, we have seen addition of 3% in terms of mobile traffic increasing, right? So it's kind of, there's been specifically on mobile, there's been two phases, like 2010 to 2012 was the first phase where the early adopters kind of came in. And the last 18 months is when I think we have seen really the mass kind of starting to see traction in terms of mobile, right? So this is like a defining moment. This happened 3 months back where the mobile traffic kind of exceeded the desktop traffic. And we surmise that in another 18 to 24 months, this should be around 75 to 80% of our traffic, right? So that's kind of the first data point. The second one was in terms of transactions itself, right? Like people are searching, it's a great tool in terms of discovery, but are people booking, right? So 40% of our transactions are on mobile, and the same number 18 months back was probably 3-4%, right? So people are actually, the conversion rates have dramatically improved as well in the last 18 months. And earlier, and one big change in terms of e-commerce and travel commerce is the transaction sizes, right? So our transaction sizes are roughly around 8,000 rupees, meaning on flights and hotels. Even at that high transaction size, we are seeing consumers purchase travel on the mobile, right? So this, in some sense, is the meaning arrival of mobile transactions, irrespective of the vertical that you are in, right? So we are already seeing 40% of transactions on mobile, and I think we think that the conversion rates of, so earlier you had 12 to 13%, 18 months back, 12 to 13% traffic with probably 4-5% transactions. Now we are seeing 54% of traffic with 40% transactions, which means that the conversion rate itself is also increasing, right? So in some products like hotels, we are seeing actually conversion rates to be better on the mobile than on the desktop, right? So, and we will kind of briefly go through in terms of some of the mobile customer specific behavior, but this is the big trend as well, saying that people are also comfortable now transacting on mobile as well, right? And does it make economic sense for us as Cleartrip here? So, meaning the lifetime value of a mobile customer, like if we acquire a customer through the mobile channel, that customer is has a lifetime value of almost 40 to 50% based on the product, higher than that of the desktop. So in general, I mean, there is a lot of interesting trends happening on mobile, and this is something that we wanted to share as a high level data point, and then we'll kind of discuss this, right? So we are positioning ourselves as the #1 mobile online travel agency in the country, and this journey has been around in the last 5 years, and I'll just briefly take you through the journey as well.